Hello friends, today I invite you to discover my steak recipe. With its easy and quick sauce to make in just 10 minutes. We'll meet right away in front of the fire to make this steak recipe. The cut I have chosen for this beef steak recipe is a rump steak. Aiguillette. It is a very tender cut that cooks very quickly. The recipe starts like this. I put a drizzle of oil in my frying pan. Then I place my steaks to cook them for about 1 minute on each side. I add a clove of crushed garlic. I remove the beef steaks and mop up the remaining oil. I put about 2 tablespoons of mustard. The latter no longer stinks after cooking. I then add half a cup of dry white wine. I salt and I pepper. I add a pinch of thyme. That I let reduce. When the white wine has reduced, well, I add 2 tablespoons of butter and I will not stop stirring so that it blends perfectly with the white wine reductions. Finally, coat your steaks and go to the tasting. Bon appétit, my friends. And very soon for a new tasty recipe.